Whenever I want a quick and tasty dinner, I prepare this here. I have 700 grams of meat, a teaspoon of garlic powder, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. In a frying pan, add some olive oil and fry the meat. When the meat is fried to a golden brown, we'll set it aside and put 250 grams of spaghetti noodles in a pan of hot water to cook. Spaghetti to cook. While the pasta is cooking, add a drizzle of olive oil to a pan, then 3 cloves of garlic and a cup of chopped spring onions, half a red onion chopped, and let's saute here for 2 minutes. Once this is done, add a tablespoon of honey, 50 ml of soy sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar. Then add 50 ml of cream and stir again. Back to the pasta, it's already cooked. Just drain the water and let our pasta cook al dente. Now let's add the pasta to the sauce we're making. And then the meat. Now just mix very well to incorporate this sauce into the noodles and the meat. Look how delicious it is, people, how perfect it is now. Just add more spring onions and sesame seeds. And I'll stir it again. Look at this, it's delicious. Just serve this marvel. Make it at home because it's so good here. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.